Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. So yesterday, we kind of alluded to it, but Bittensor TAO, are you still early? So in yesterday's video, like I said, I mentioned TAO. So today we're going to be taking a look and seeing if we're too late to the party as it continues to pump hard. Now, the website itself, I think, could do with being a bit better. Like I don't really like the website, but that's just a personal choice. It's nothing to do with the project itself. So Bittensor's vision for decentralized AI company has captivated a large number of people in the area, or the arenas, sorry, of artificial intelligence and computer science, who have yearned for an alternative to the top-down world being created by our current technological giants. However, the promise of what Bittensor is and can be has been masked by large technical barriers to understanding, and thus has not been well digested by non-technical audiences, which I kind of understand. I kind of get that in a way, because the website is very heavy, very, very heavy. So the purpose of this article is to answer why Bittensor matters to the world, why you should care, and why you need to build it, why we need to build it together. These are core questions, and each of them will require that we delve into the history of cryptocurrency and how Bittensor is uniquely positioned to play a significant role in the future that is being written today. Now, as I've said, the website could do with being a bit more revamped. I think black and white, the colors are great. It's you could make this a lot sharper, a lot cleaner. And obviously the words are very, very, very small. However, there is a community-run website, and it suggests here that Bittensor is the world's first neural internet. And it's got a few people that it's supported by. And it comes in here saying, what is TAO Bittensor? So Bittensor is revolutionizing the development of machine learning platforms by decentralizing the process and creating a peer-to-peer market for machine intelligence. It enables the collective intelligence of AI models to come together, forming a digital hive mind. Now, as we said in previous videos, like AI, gaming, layer ones, I still think quant, but there's a lot of sectors. The green initiative, I think, will be a big player as well, although I don't really care too much about that specifically, but it is something that will be looked at. The decentralized approach allows for the rapid expansion and sharing of knowledge, akin to an unstoppable library of knowledge that grows exponentially. By harnessing the power of distributed networks and incentivizing collaboration, Bittensor is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of machine learning. The Bittensor protocol establishes a marketplace that transforms machine intelligence into a tradable commodity by creating an open and accessible network. It fosters innovation from a diverse global community of developers. Now, quick check on this bit here as well. This is like a bit like the tokenomics section. Just going to move my head down slightly. So Bittensor fair launched, so in inverted commas. So no tokens were pre-mined in 2021, and the supply of TAO is 21 million. There is a halving cycle such that for every 10.5 million blocks, rewards per block half. So there's a halving event, a bit like we see with Bitcoin. Obviously, the max supply is very similar to Bitcoin too, or identical almost. Currently, every 12 seconds, one block step, a single TAO emits into the network. There'll be 64 halving events, with the first occurring in August 2025, which could be good timing for the bull market. Follow this link to view the current supply and block number. Obviously, feel free to have a look at the website. If you're very technical minded, I think you'd enjoy it. If you're not buzzing off tech and hear more for gains, then the website is very tech heavy. So I found this on x.com. It's at CryptoZPunisher, and this is one of the best reads I could find regarding TAO. So Bittensor and TAO, the birth of a legend in a decentralized AI world. I think that AI narrative is going to really push this. In the vast universe of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence, sometimes projects emerge that captivate the imagination, transcend expectations, and become legends in their own right. One such evolving narrative is the decentralized AI project Bittensor, driven by its iconic token TAO. Legends don't arise overnight. They are the results of sustained efforts, bold innovations, and unwavering determination. Bittensor embodies this quest. Its decentralized architecture pushes the boundaries of artificial intelligence by enabling distributed collaboration, where each node contributes to the network's growth. It is within this synergy that the legend takes root. As the saying goes, a legend is only recognized after its hours of glory. Bittensor, with its TAO token, is currently navigating these decisive moments. Investors, developers, and enthusiasts who have recognized the potential of this initiative can witness the early stages of the legend being written. The hours of glory are approaching along with global recognition. So beyond just being a token, TAO becomes a symbol of the evolution of AI towards decentralized horizons. Holders of TAO do not just hold a cryptocurrency, they hold a share of a revolution in progress. The potential impact of the lives of those who believe in this bold vision is immense. We are at the dawn of a transformation that could change the game. The birth of a legend is often accompanied by uncertainties and challenges. Bittensor and TAO are no exceptions. However, it is in overcoming these challenges that the substance of legends is forged. Holders of TAO thus become the actors in this epic, contributing to shaping the future of decentralized AI. In conclusion, the birth of a legend is an evolutionary process, and Bittensor with its TAO token is in its early stages. The bold project embodies the spirit of innovation and decentralization in the field of AI. TAO holders are the pioneers, the visionaries who can see beyond the horizon. We are witnesses to the genesis of a legend, ready to follow its ascent to the heights of technological history. That's quite a rally cry, if you currently are a Bittensor holder. And then there's a nice image here. The legend is born. There's also another thing that I thought was quite good as well over on X.com was at Crypto S Giant. He says, now that Bittensor has everyone's attention on crypto Twitter, let me show you guys something crazy. So in picture one, which I'll just show you in a second, the parabolic rise of TAO to $260 plus. This is over a 26x from September 2022. When I first explained how this protocol was the biggest thing since Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then pick two is the value of TAO versus Bitcoin. Pick three, the value of TAO versus the entire rest of the crypto altcoin market. And pick four is the value of TAO versus NVIDIA, the AI and GPU giant. You'll notice these charts all have one thing in common. Basically, TAO beats everything. It's literally just swallowing everything. 5 months before the first candle ever printed on these charts, I explained how this would be one of the best investments the world has ever seen. Now these charts make one thing extremely clear. Bittensor is on track to change the world, and it's only getting started. Erase your expectations. There's no limit of how high this could go over the coming months and the next year. So as you look at the charts, you can see that it's absolutely mooning across all those sectors. And then this as well, which is quite interesting as well. It's from Hasta La Vista Dave, or at Dave La Vista. Hello, Mr. TAO. I would like to have some vet for lunch today, please. And as you can see, TAO has flipped quant, and it's now set its sights on VeChain. Like I've said before, it breaks your heart to see it flip quant, because you're just thinking, why is quant not moving? I understand as well that a lot of quant holders, seem to be taking a lot, bits out of their portfolios and putting it into different plays. And I think Bittensor has also been one of the benefits of it, or beneficiaries of this. And then we've got this as well. This is something I don't like. So this is one of these meme coins. It's a dog coin of TAO. TAONU is at a $700,000 market cap. We have zero idea about the team. You can lose all your money with these degen stuff, but if TAO gets ripping up the top 10 and this dog survives, this could be a fun gamble. I agree, it could be a fun gamble, but it's not one that I would take. And I don't want to see that being something that we're getting involved in. So if you look at the price at the minute, $223, up 1.6% in the last 24 hours. Again, its max supply is really good. Are you still early enough to make this happen as an investment position? Well, the market cap currently is $1.3 billion. So a $13 billion market cap will give you the $2,200 Bittensor or TAO. Is that possible? Yeah, I probably think it probably is. But then will it go to 100x? A $22,000 TAO? Probably not. But is it one of these situations where, years ago, people saying, I'd love to own just one Bitcoin. I mean, even now, I'd love to own one Bitcoin just to be there. Is TAO going to be one of those things? Is it going to be like, I wish I had one TAO, or wow, he owns one TAO? I don't know. It could be that situation. So in that regard, then yeah, I think we probably still are early. Is it something I could invest in at this rate? No. I think it is a little high. If it had a retracement, then maybe it'd be something worth looking into. I just think that's a little high at the minute. But that being said, if you were one of the early buyers of TAO, if you got into Bittensor early, you're probably laughing right now. You know, you're over the moon, and I understand that. So congratulations to anyone who got in this early. I absolutely slept on it, didn't see it at all, and obviously being proved that this is actually a great project. And I didn't even give it a cursory glance initially, but now it really does seem to be absolutely melting people's faces. Over the last 24 hours, the chart having a bit of a retracement at the moment, but nothing significant. And its max chart will show that up only mindset is really kicking in. Crypto ranked now at number 46, and it hit another all-time high just 7 hours ago at $264.17. So this is going to keep going up by the looks of things. I would prefer a retracement if I was looking to get in. That being said, though, like I said before, could this be a situation where you just, would be grateful to have one TAO? And I think that might be the situation. So it is worth keeping in mind. This could absolutely moon. And we don't know how big this next altcoin season's the next bull run's going to be, because I think there's going to be a lot more money in this space than there was in 2021. So could that push this even further again, 50x potentially? Who knows? But it's certainly something that people are going to be making a lot of money off, that's for sure. And I just want to mention Quant, not because they're the same or they do the same thing, but Quant's max supply and total supply is lower, significantly lower, and it's almost fully diluted. I think Bittensor I'm watching Bittensor and seeing what it's doing. It's kind of give a lot of Quant holders, probably including myself, a little bit of jealousy in that regard, because you're thinking, well, should I have maybe got 20 Bittensor or 20 TAO or whatever? But it is what it is. I still think Quant's going to move. I still think we're waiting for that pump, and I think it will come. But has Bittensor gone and shown what can happen? And this is in a bear market, don't forget. Well, maybe very early bull. So, it could be a very good investment. Like I said before, I would like a retracement, but well done to everyone who got in early. You must be very, very happy right now, and I'm delighted for you. So if you like this video, please smash the like button. It really does help the channel. I really appreciate it when you guys do that. Comment below if you are a holder of Bittensor. Let me know how you feel. I want to know what your bullish sentiment is around it. If you're not a holder of Bittensor, but you looked into it, and anything you want to say about Bittensor, let me know. Anything about crypto in general, just whack them in the comments and we'll have a good chat. Once again, subscriber wise, we're chasing that 1800 mark down now, which is great. So thank you very much for everyone who's decided to subscribe. So if you can, please hit the subscribe button. Wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing, have an amazing day, have an amazing evening, and as always, we'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Goodbye.